Advanced Night Repair Eye Synchronized Complex 15 ml 0.5 ounces. Advanced Night Repair Eye Synchronized Complex Product Line, Estee Lauder Eye Care Product Size, 15 ml 0.5 ounces. Flents Eyeglass Repair Kit Self-Centering Magnifier Pack. Eyeglass Repair Kit. Pack of 5. Reviva Firming Eye Serum Alpha Lipoic Acid 1 ounce. DMAE and Multipeptides have been added to help smooth and enhance the overall eye area appearance. Also added is an advanced peptide bioflavonoid complex that can help lighten the look of dark circles. Antioxidants Alpha Lipoic Acid and Vitamin C Ester help fight against future environmental damage. Ingredients: Purified Water, Sunflower Seed Oil, Emulsifying Wax, Haloxyl, Syn-Coll, DMAE, Alpha Lipoic Acid, Magnesium Ascorbyl Phosphate, Dipalmitoyl Hydroxyproline, Hyaluronic Acid, Carbomer, Olive Oil, Lecithin, Phenoxylethanol, Ethylhexylglycerin. Organic Eye Lift Serum. Inspired by European luxury and handcrafted innovation, Organic presents a line of expertly blended skincare. Organic harvests, develops, and utilizes refined ingredients for those who seek skin that harkens back to youth. Paraben-free and no animal testing. Made in the USA. Barberry Beauty Natural Face Eye Serum with DMAE. As always, Barberry makes a perfect product. I have read things about this company. They really go to extreme lengths before they ever launch a product to make sure it is absolutely perfect and a home run product. This face and eye serum is no exception. Barberry makes things in the USA at this price point. They are offering an amazing deal. LE Royal 24K Gold Eye Serum for Dark Circles. Your eyes are the keys to your soul. Take care of your eyes daily with a drop or two of this anti-aging potion. This will instantly lift your eyes, remove saggy bags and dark circles, and will eliminate fine lines and wrinkles. While at it, it doesn't stop there though, because no eye treatment is complete without injecting super amount of moisture to make sure your under eye area is free of puffiness and appears young, smooth, and simply beautiful. Other features. Merit Advanced Eye Serum. I received this early, seller very quick on delivery, thanks seller. I love this. It makes the crepiness on my upper eyelids vanish, as well as tiny bumps below my under eyes cleared up after the first application. I've had that problem for quite a long time with no solution till now. I read some of the reviews of others with same problem who had same results after trying this one time, and that is why I decided to give this a chance. Miracle results for me. I highly recommend this to all.